Take command of the road in the 2008 Nissan Rogue. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.